Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. To celebrate the birthday anniversary of the late Louise Bennett, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport will unveil a statue in her honor. The unveiling ceremony will be done this Friday at the Gordon Town Square in St. Andrews starting 4 o'clock. Messages will be delivered by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, MP Juliet Holness, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange, and the Mayor of Kingston, Councillor Delroy Williams. Reflections on the life of Miss Lou will also be given by the Honourable Barbara Gludon and Mr. Fabian Coverley. Cultural items will be provided by classical singer Anna Strachan, the Hartford Cultural Group, students of the Louise Bennett Coverley All-Aid School, and various gold medal winners in the JCDC's National Festival of the Performing Arts. Small Jamaica said farewell to summer with the 2018 End of Summer Sizzle event. The event was held recently at Emancipation Park in Kingston, which offered an impressive and varied lineup of local performers, including Elaine, Wayne Marshall, Version, Runkus, and the best of the rollout performers. Hosts Sakina Mullings, Simone Clark Cooper, Dufton Shepherd, and Empress kept the energy bubbling with dance competitions and giveaways. Artist Wayne Marshall expressed his thanks to TVJ for inviting him to perform at the event.
Gosh man, from Smile Jamaica right throughout the day, you know what I mean, daytime live, news, you know, at TVJ, what can we say, you know what I mean? Nothing but the best always. I represent for the people station, you know. So we just give thanks for all, you know what I mean, for having the ability for there, you know what I mean, can deliver upon a high class level and match. Because them high class, you know, so when we perform we have a high class too. So it's just a joy man for there and joy to be invited.
Dancehall artist Sean Paul has joined sprinter star Usain Bolt as one of the Caribbean's Accelerate ambassadors. The artist and the sprint star were chosen as ambassadors by the coalition of global organizations, which include the Inter-American Development Bank, the World Bank, and Caribbean Development Bank, that have joined forces with Virgin Atlantic's founder Richard Branson to make the Caribbean the first climate-smart region in the world. The artist, whose popular tracks include Gimme the Light and Temperature, has been involved with matters to do with promoting the Caribbean's response to dangers of climate change for a number of years. Because back in 2015, at the United Nations Climate Change Conference held in Paris, he teamed up with singer Natasha Bedingfield for the single Love Song to the Earth, which features multiple collaborations from artists including Paul McCartney, Bon Jovi, and Leona Lewis. Love Song to the Earth is aimed at raising consciousness about the threat of climate change around the world. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.